In this video, we'll show you how to load a template in Practice Better quickly and easily so you can get your sessions organized in no time. Whether you're new to Practice Better or just want to streamline your workflow, stick around as we dive into the steps and offer a better option towards the end. Let's get straight to it. The first thing you need to do is log into your Practice Better account. Once you're in, navigate to the Templates section, which is found in the Settings tab under Templates and AMP, Forms. You'll see a list of all your existing templates, but if you want to load a new one, you'll need to click on Load Template in the top right corner of the screen. Next thing, you'll be prompted with a list of available templates that you can choose from. This is where Practice Better shines. It offers a decent variety of templates that are great for many use cases. However, depending on your needs, you may find yourself wishing for a bit more customization in certain templates, especially if you're looking for more advanced features. That's something to keep in mind as you navigate through. Now, let's get to the third thing. After selecting a template, click on it to load it into your session. You'll now have the option to customize the loaded template, making it fit your specific needs. It's pretty intuitive here. However, one area where Practice Better could improve is the speed of this process. It's not the quickest, especially if you're working with a larger template or if you're managing a lot of clients. Next thing, make sure to save your newly loaded template as your default or create a copy if you plan on using it repeatedly. This will help you avoid reloading it each time. You can do this by simply hitting the Save button at the bottom of the page. It's easy, but not super obvious the first time you use it. Now, let's talk about the fourth thing. Once your template is saved and ready to go, you can quickly apply it to any upcoming session by selecting it from the Load Template option in the Client Session view. Just make sure that you've double-checked the details before you confirm, as once it's applied, it can't be undone easily. If you're enjoying this tutorial, make sure to stick around because there's something you need to know about alternatives that might work even better for your practice goals. While Practice Better is great for a lot of users, some people find it a bit restrictive. If you need more in-depth customization or more intuitive automation for your sessions, there are alternatives out there that might suit you better. We'll get into those shortly. By now, you've learned how to load a template in Practice Better, but before you jump into it, I want to tell you about an exclusive extended free trial for the software through our link in the description. That's right, you'll get access to Practice Better, plus some amazing features that are available exclusively to our viewers. But if you're still wondering if Practice Better is the best fit for your needs, I've also got some better alternatives that are available with a free trial as well. These alternatives are specifically designed to help you achieve your goals more efficiently, so be sure to check out those options before making your final decision. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to click the link below for that extended free trial and to explore some other amazing options to level up your practice.